Welcome friends to this channel Trading Sensation. So today I'm going to show you the overall market scenario that we have presently, and as you know that everyone, all the retail participants in the market and all the buy side analysts, sell side analysts, everyone is predicting that Nifty is going to go up and the overall scenario is very bullish. But I have a different perception. Let's see, I'm going to explain you the whole scenario in very basic and simple terms. So I have opened the daily chart. I'm using TradingView, which is a open source and it is completely free for everyone. So let me show you this line that I have drawn. So this is the line that you can see I have used, and here also I have drawn a line. So the upper line is called the resistance and the below line is called the support. We all know that the market crashed from the February end and it has breached this crucial support, multi-month support on 6th of March 2020, and since then it started to come down and it has made a low on 24th of March, making a doji, and since that day it has started to reverse again, correct? Now I have joined the low from that day, and you can see that this upward sloping line I have drawn, this is maintaining all the lows of the candles as we go up. Now the most important thing that I want to show you, that on 31st of July 2020, you can see that for the first time the candle gave a closing below this red line, correct? Now since that day it has it is unable to breach and go up, and this is one point that I want to show you. The other point is, if we extend this support that I have used from 29th of October 2018 and extend it, you can see that for the last few weeks it is unable to breach on the upside. It is just testing and retesting that line. Let me just zoom in a bit, and if we consider the last three candles, here you see that it has formed a 3 cross bar or 3 cross pattern, and it is at the end of an uptrend, and moreover it is not only at the end of an uptrend but at a very crucial juncture. That is, we have this 3 cross pattern at the end of this uptrend. First point. Second point is, it is just below that crucial support which has become the resistance now. Not only that, the last point that I want to show you is, I have used one simple step or tool, you can say. I have used Fibonacci. So I have drawn Fibonacci from this point, from the high on 20th Jan 2020, and I have extended it to this low of this trend, and by that you can see the levels we have: 23.6, 38.2, all these levels, important levels. Presently it is coincidentally at a crucial level as well, that is 78.6 or 0.786, that is 11,377.75. Now I have shown you 3 points, that is this price. Presently the price is just testing and retesting this resistance which I have drawn from this 26th of October 2018. Number one. Number two is it is unable to breach, or it has already crossed this upward sloping line and it is hovering below that. This is the second point. And the third point is, it is at the convergence of this Fib level, that is 0.786, which is 11,377.75. So combining all these 3 points together, I expect the market to reverse on Friday, and I don't see Nifty above 11,400. If Nifty goes above 11,400, then this view will be negated. Otherwise, we all will be able to see the trend reversal from this point itself. And let us wait and see what is going to happen. Time will unfold everything. Till then, if you have a different perception, please don't forget to put it in the comment section below. And let's have a great trading session this week, because Friday is going to be an important day. Remember it. Till then, have a great day. Bye.